Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Vivo X80 and its Pro. I put some original photo samples at the end of this video. Please stick around to that. As for the unboxing, I've already uploaded that short video from my brother Tony, so I'm not going to elaborate here. Let's get to these two phones directly. Regarding the design, we have the volume rocker and power key on the right side. The keys feel solid and great. Both phones have this aluminum alloy middle frame. On the top, we can see professional photography. Of course it is. You can check those samples at the end of this video. And then are the infrared blaster and noise cancelling mic. If we take a closer look, the layout of these two elements on the two phones are different. It's interesting to know that, to be honest. Moving to the left, nothing there. Then at the bottom, we have the Type-C port, noise cancelling mic, SIM card slot, and speaker. Two phones support dual stereo sound. Alright, now moving to the specs. For the front panel, both phones feature a 6.78-inch Samsung E5 AMOLED, 1500 nits peak brightness, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and 120Hz refresh rate. We can see they even have the same chin bezel, but there's one difference, which the Pro supports refresh rate adjustments ranging between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, as we can see from the top left corner. While the vanilla version doesn't. It's either 60 Hz or 120 Hz. So that should be less power efficient than the Pro. In case you want to know more differences between the two, for the yellow leather Pro version, the thickness is 9.1mm and weight is 215 grams. For the other two colors of the Pro, the weight is 219 grams, which is 4 grams heavier. Guess the leather material made the phone lighter. While for the black and white vanilla X80, it's 8.3mm thickness and 206 grams weight. For the yellow leather is 8.78mm, slightly thicker, but with the lighter 203 grams weight. I will just list them on the screen in case you get confused or you don't give a shit. The battery is different as well. The Pro has 4700 mAh battery, with the X80 has a slightly smaller 4500 mAh battery and misses on the wireless charging. Both phones come with 80 watts fast wireless charging though. For other specs, both phones have the same 4GB RAM expansion, Vivo's in-house V1 Plus ISP chip, and 32 megapixel front camera. My guy Kevin said he liked the selfie, though he joked about how unbeautiful he is. Anyway, moving to the rear camera. I will list the detailed specs of the two on the screen. You can check it out. Before I show you more photo samples, here are the differences we found between the two cameras. The standard X80 only supports 20 times digital zoom, while the Pro supports up to 60 times. Here's an example of that crazy 60 times zoom. And one difference is the Pro supports 8K video recording. But I have a question. Do you really record footage in 8K? My computer cannot even run 8K footage. Oh, we tried to compare the app opening speed there, since the two have different chipsets. We found the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Pro version is a little bit faster, but one sad thing is the Snapdragon has worse thermal control. So our first impression is, if you want an IP68 waterproofing, a periscope lens that lets you take feather photos, or wireless charging support the phone, go to the Pro version. If not, then the vanilla X80. Finally, about the camera samples, since I'm going to make a separate detailed video. So here we just share some original photos took by the X80 Pro, and you decide if they are any good. I will not judge. One thing we are really impressed by the X80 Pro is its night photos. It can even take photos in extremely dark environment. And check the details on the photo, incredible. Alright, that's the unboxing, the first impression of the Vivo X80 series. What do you think? And if you want to know more about this phone, please leave your comment below and I will try to test in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, because your support is the true motivation for us to put continuous effort into our future videos. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.
Okay?